How to make a pants. To make a pants, one must first evaluate what sort of boots the pants will be going with. The boots are the most important part of the pants, for the pants are incomplete without the boots. The boots must be of fine quality, high-grade leather, etc. Now, we must look at the length of the legs. The length of the legs must be directly proportional to the length of the arms, just in case the pants turns inside out, and one might be required to turn them back inside in. Anyway, after the legs have been determined, one must then evaluate the size of the waist. The waist can also be the size of the genitalia as well as the buttocks. This is an integral part of the pants. Next, we must determine what sort of zipper must be put onto the pants. The zipper will allow for free and open movement of opening and closing the pants. Then the button. The button has to be real. It cannot be a fake button, for if the button was fake, the pants would not open. This is extremely important in order to make the pants work. How the pants' color as well as texture come along is a completely different story. The color, as said before, needs to be matching with the boots. The color also has to be that of a navy, for it is disrespectful to wear any other color. Now we will move on to the texture. The texture of the pants has to be of a fine grain, that of which bread is made from. If this cannot be achieved, then the pants will fail. When the pants and the fabric for the pants have been chosen out, it must be put into an oven. In the oven, the pants will rise and will give way to many children. This pants, or pants child, will then continue to grow for an estimated 10 days until the pants baby is ready for a young adult. Now, how do pants babies get born? Well, the legs actually function as a double. They're not only used for leg holes, but they are also used for birthing holes. These pants are extremely useful, for breeding pants is an extremely profitable business. Now, how does one determine how big the loopholes for the belt? The loopholes for the belt need to be of average size, the size of which is in fact average. How does one determine the average size? Well, one goes to an average belt and measures the width from one side to the other. This belt will then be taken and put into the pants, as to always make it tight for the pants wearer. If the pants is too tight, the pants wearer will lose feeling in their legs and develop something known as lymphoma. If the pants is too loose, the wearer will not be able to pick up women. And this is the most important part of wearing pants. Thank you for listening.